Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of 3D concept art space scene with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Guys, size I take 2000 centimeter and same height 2000. So now I go to Octane and use live viewer window. Yeah, guys, select this window, drag and drop on left side like this and click on here, render preview. Yes. Okay, so guys, I create texture for this plate. So I go to create and new Octane material. Guys, I change material type. I use glossiness and click on node editor. Guys, I apply some texture. I show you. And that's my folder. Guys, see, that's my texture. So select, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, and closer. Guys, select this normal map and connect this one, and second one displacement map and connect with input, and this input connect with displacement. Yeah, guys, select this one, and level of detail I take full, amount I take like 200. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, for color I take gradient, select, drag and drop. Yes, and guys, I take gradient color like dark blue color like this. Yeah, and second one like purple color. Yes, and 70%. Yeah, and third one take 50%. Yes, see guys, that's my color. So connect with diffuse. Yes, right. So now guys, my material is finished. Select this material, apply on plane, and yes, and guys, I change plane size, actually position, and y-axis decrease like this, like minus 100 centimeter, right? Okay, right. Okay, so guys, next one I take sphere, and sphere radius I take 200 centimeter, and segments take like 100. So go to back, yeah, and go to up like this. Yes. Okay, so guys, now I take camera. So go to object and take camera. Camera check. Guys, all rotation take 0 and 0. And position mid one, and y-axis take 100. Yeah. Guys, select this sphere and little bit up. Yes, better, right? That's my composition. Okay, so now guys, save this project, most important part. Yes, and now this one, guys, I create material for this sphere, guys, like moon texture. So material type use glossy and node editor. Guys, I apply texture, moon texture like this. Guys, you can download this texture. I give you link, download link. So select this texture, drag and drop in node editor. Yes, and guys, select this texture, connect with diffuse. Also guys, select and connect with, and guys, select, connect with bump map. Yeah, guys, I change some specular on here. Go to specular, and guys, specular 0.1. Yes, and go to roughness. I take 0.4. Yeah, see guys, that's much better, right? Okay guys, I also take some color correction also. So go to here, color correction, connect with diffuse like this, and select this color correction, little bit increase saturation like 1.2 and gamma 1.2. Yeah, also good, better, right? Okay, so now guys, I change projection UV. So select this texture and projection. Select this projection, click and go to here. Guys, projection, texture projection, I take spherical. Yeah, because that's my sphere. So guys, close Matte Note Editor and apply on sphere. Yeah, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I take this and orientation change, that's my background light. And yeah, guys, go to back, y-axis like 200, go to back like this, and outer radius increase. Yeah, and up, right? Okay, so now guys, I create material for this. So take octane material and guys, use emission and black body emission check. And guys, go to texture. Guys, I take RGB spectrum, this one. Yeah, and take blue color. This time I take blue color. So color code 200 and 200, 100 and 100. Yes. And guys, surface brightness check, also double sided check. Yeah. So apply on disk. Yes. And guys, select this disk and rotation increase segments. Yeah, and position also change. Yeah, guys, select this camera and minus 500 position. Yes, and now yeah, all is good. Select the disk, guys, little bit increase radius. Yeah, better, one more. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I also change render setting. Go to here and use path tracing and max amp I take 4000. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys, I create background. So use HDRI environment and guys, I apply star texture like black star sky. Yes, and guys, click on here, render preview. Yeah, much better, right? And guys, go to here, position little bit change, select the disk. Okay, again render preview. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I take one more light. So guys, I go to object and take octane area light. Yes, and guys, go to here and same guys, RGB spectrum and click. Guys, this time I take orange color like 25, 100 and 100. Yeah, and go to back. Guys, power I take 25. Yeah, and guys, rotate like 60-degree. So fix light position. And guys, yeah, position is good. Guys, select this one, also little bit closer and go to camera. Yeah, select this light, this one. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, copy this light, press Ctrl C and V and go to up. Second light, that's my top light, and again rotate like this, same like minus 60, actually 50. Yes, and guys, little bit up. Yeah, and go to camera. Yes, right. See guys. Okay, so also guys, visibility all uncheck. Yeah, and deck size increase. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now little bit smaller. Guys, I take one more light. So select this light, this one, top one, and copy and rotation 0. Yeah, and go to back. Guys, this time I change only color like this, and color I take blue color. Blue color. Yeah, and guys, power I take 50. Yes. Right, and go to camera. Yeah, much better. Okay, so guys, I go to here, Octane camera render setting, and bloom power I take like 15. Yes, and camera imager saturation to white 0.2, and enable check exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.95. Yes, and natural to response check. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. And select a desk and little bit up like 340, and this one 600. Yeah guys, radius little bit decrease. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply 3D character model like this. That's my 3D character model. Yeah, right, and save this project. Guys, I also change size. So go to chord and size 0.2, 2, and last one 0.2. Yeah, and guys, go to up like this. Yes, and closer on camera. Yeah, see guys, that's my 3D character model, and go to up like this, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. That's my final composition. I show you my final output. See guys, that's my final output. It's take little bit time for rendering. And guys, also change background UV. So click and UV transform. Guys, go to here 0.1. Yeah, much better. See guys, that's my final output. It's really good, right? Okay, so stop this rendering and save. Guys, go to render setting, use Octane and use all GPU check. Yeah, that's it. So close and render. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.